We'll guide you through how to find the Google Drive contact number. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Support website by typing support.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Type in Google Drive Support and press Enter. You'll be presented with a list of options. Look for the one that says Contact Us or Help Center and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can choose your issue related to Google Drive. Scroll through the list of common problems or use the search bar to find your specific issue if it's not listed. After selecting your issue, Google will provide you with the best way to contact them. Often, this may include options like email, chat, or phone support. If phone support is available, you will see an option to request a callback. Google doesn't list a direct phone number for Drive support to prevent spam and ensure efficient service, so requesting a callback is typically the way to go. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account so they can assist you better. If the phone option is not available, you might need to use the chat or email support options instead, and they can direct you further if a phone call is necessary. Keep in mind, Google support can sometimes be busy, so be patient if you don't get an immediate response. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.